Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a university bag at home. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need about 1.5 yards of durable fabric, a 20-inch zipper, and a spool of strong polyester thread. Make sure your sewing machine is in good working order and have your fabric scissors and measuring tape ready. Selecting a robust fabric like canvas or denim is crucial for a bag that will last through countless study sessions and commutes. Now, let's prepare our fabric with precision. Measure and cut 2 main body pieces, each 18 inches by 15 inches. These will form the front and back of your bag. Next, cut 2 side panels, each 4 inches wide and 15 inches long, and 1 bottom piece, 18 inches by 4 inches. Finally, for the straps, cut 2 pieces, each 2 inches wide and 30 inches long. Accurate measurements are key for a well-proportioned bag. With your fabric cut, it's time to start assembling. First, sew the side and bottom panels to one of your main body pieces, forming a U-shape. Next, carefully install your 20-inch zipper along the top edge. Then, attach the second main body piece to the remaining side and bottom panels. Now, join the 2 halves of your bag, aligning all edges. Remember to use a double stitch on all seams for extra strength, ensuring your bag can handle a heavy load of books. For the finishing touches, let's create the straps. Fold each 2-inch by 30-inch strap piece lengthwise and stitch it closed to form sturdy handles. Attach these finished straps securely to the top corners of your bag, about 3 inches in from each side. For added functionality, you might want to sew in an 8-inch by 6-inch interior pocket. Finally, trim any stray threads, turn your new university bag right side out, and admire your handmade creation, ready for its first day on campus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.